Hello friends, may you all be safe. Friends, we have a fade image in front of us. By the way, let me introduce myself. My name is Kaiser. We will fix the color grading of this fade image. Copy the color grading of another such image, and paste it onto this image. Now, the color grading of this image is almost perfect. Well, it seems to the viewer that the color grading of an image that I see as 100% may be seen as 90% by your eyes. So, it depends on the eye of the beholder. Color grading is the creative process of altering an image's colors to set a specific mood. In essence, color grading in Photoshop is about artistic expression. Using color to tell a story or enhance the emotional impact of a photograph. So we will copy the color grading of this image and paste it onto the fade image. And after the image is fixed, we will see something like this. And we will do this with a trick in Photoshop. We will adjust hues, saturation, and luminance in shadows, midtones, and highlights. So let's start the video. We have to copy the color grading of this image. For this, go to File, Export, then select Save for Web, Legacy. Save for Web, Legacy is a powerful older tool, offering granular control over image compression. And from here, select your GIF. It has a maximum of 256 colors. You will see those 256 colors in the color table. But we don't want 256 colors for this image. We need to extract 3 colors from this image. This image will look something like this, but we don't want to save the image. We need to save this color table, which only has 3 colors. Color table is a palette for indexed color images. We will export this color table from here. Click on the Color Palette menu icon. At the bottom, you will see the option to save color table. We will click on this option. I am saving this table to the desktop. And I won't rename it, I'll just save it with the table name. There is already a file named table here, I will replace it. I will click Done after the table is saved. In this way we have saved a table with 3 colors. Now I will select this fade image. In Photoshop, a fade image is a gradual transition where image slowly disappears to a single color. Now I'll press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate layer of it. The purpose of this is only to preserve the original background image as a backup. Now what we created as a table is a swatch. For swatches, go to Window and click on Swatches. This will bring up a list of all the swatches. Now we will click on the lines icon. And now we will click on Import Swatches. Swatches are saved color samples in the Swatches panel. We saved it on the desktop as a swatch table. But we don't see that table here. This is because the extension of the table is a CT, while here, a CO is select. In Photoshop, a CO and a CT files are both color palette formats. From here, we will change and select a CT. So this will show us the table file. Now select this file table and click on Load. Now you will see a folder, named Table in the list of swatches. If we expand it, we will see the same 3 colors in it. Now we will create a gradient map layer here. Gradient map is adjustment layer that recolors an image by mapping its brightness levels. Here we will click on the preview of the gradient map. This will open the gradient editor window. Here you will see 2 color stop sliders, one on the left and one on the right. While we have a 3 color table, here we also need a 3rd color stop slider. Click to add a stop, we will do. That is, when we click here, a 3rd color stop slider will also be created. Color stop is a marker on the gradient bar that defines a specific color within a gradient. Now click on the color stop, on the right. And click on the color so that, change color of selected stop. Now we will choose the first color, from the table here. Now we will see, what percentage its brightness is. Here its brightness is 92%. Keeping 92% mind and click OK. Now here in the location, we will make it 92%. Now we will click on the middle color stop and click on the color, so that change color of selected stop. And now from here, we will choose second color. The brightness of this color is 65%. Here we will click OK and set the location to 65%. That is, the value of the brightness will be the same value in the location. Now we will click on the 3rd color stop and click on the color so that change color of selected stop. Now we will select the 3rd color from the table. This color will be selected, and its brightness is 26%. Here, the brightness value of 26% is the same value we will give in the location. And after doing this, we will click OK. Now, we need to change the blend mode of this layer. Blend mode allowing you to change how a layer's pixels mix with the layers beneath it. We will change the blend mode of this layer to soft light. Now you will see that the image that was the fade is no longer there. And we did this second image, which was color grading. Copied it and pasted it into this fade image. So now you can see the image before and this image after. If these colors are looking too rich, you can reduce their opacity to 90%. Or view the image at 80%. But I feel 90% more suitable here. Now if I zoom in on the image, its color grading looks correct to me. You can also do a blend mode overlay here. But the colors will be richer in the overlay. But the soft light blend mode would suit more. So, this image is before and this image is after. So, I hope you liked this method of copying the colors of an image with perfect color grading. You might like this trick of copying and pasting. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.